God.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
75 laps, bro. Pitting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pitting.
Yeah.
Pitting.
Yeah.
Pitting.
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You son of a fucking bitch.
That's that.
Jesus fucking Christ. You son of a fucking bitch. Nice pit, dude. Nice fucking pit. Hey, oh. I didn't cross after
Right.
you, right?
Nope. Oh, I didn't realize you deslotted.
Yeah.
We're on the same lap. Yeah, you're ahead of me. Yeah, you're. That's where it should be.
No, I'm not. You're ahead of me just by... Oh,
No, you haven't crossed start finish.
I'm ahead of you that much? A lap?
Yes. Yep.
Alright. I'm just gonna check that I got power here. This is a bad spot for me.
You don't, do you?
Nah, it's okay.
Right.
If it's not, then I'll have... Then
Well,
here we go.
Yeah, it's
All right, here we
it
go.
doesn't really matter.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Green flag, green flag.
Caution.
Cautious now, cautious now, cautious now.
Oh, what?
Are you
Oh,
gonna-
okay, yeah, that's probably right.
You know what's going on. Do you want to
Yeah.
just test? Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Okay. Dude, I have to pit. You've already pitted.
Are you sure you got a pit?
66? Yeah, I do. Unfortunately.
All right, here we go.
I think.
Here we go.
I
5,
could push it.
4,
I'm not gonna
3,
know.
2, 1.
Green flag, green flag.
Caution. You got me. It's over.
Fuck.
I was gaining on you too.
I
should have
Bro.
maybe tried.
What a fucking race, man. That was fucking wicked, dude.
I should have maybe pushed the fuel stop. If I did, I would have had to.
Is that what you think, eh?
Yeah, I know.